Alright, battle for third place, open category. First five health cover, Bustamante, Erlano Jr., Padilla, Padayaw, and Agurin. Health cover, we have Ponce, Bacaresa, Goli, Del Rosario, and Gonzalez. Guys, tuck in, please. Tuck in, tuck in. Boys, patak in tayo. Alright, come po. Let's go. Bacaresa grabs the ball. Ponce misses. Padilla to Erlano. Powers his way through, no good. Rebound, Gonzalez. Ponce. Bacaresa. All alone for three, no good. Rebound, Bustamante. Padilla, nilalamig. Fake. Pull up, no good. Dwelling with the board. Ponce, all the way. Short. Padilla with the board. Passes to Bustamante, who makes it. Gonzalez thought about the three. Del Rosario back. No good. In and out. Padayaw to Padilla. Back to Padayaw. Alley-oop to Bustamante. Miss. Bacaresa loses it. Padilla for three. Short. Back to him. Pushes. Fall away. No good. Rebound Goli. Intercepted. Out of bounds. Stays with Geelong. Goli. Foul number 20, J.R. Agurin, his first personal foul, first team foul. Ponce, long bomb, no good. Bustamante, kick out, Padayaw for three. No good. Rebound, Padilla. Shortstop. Misses. Galling secures it. Ponce, Dipsy-do misses. Bustamante alley-oop, no good. Gonzalez secures it. Ponce, behind the back, Bacaresa, bang! 2 points, tied. Shout out Jose Ramon Manuel. Erlano for two. Nikon din. 1 second. Crossover. Fall away. Board. No good. Rebound. Bustamante. Padilla. Padayaw. Basket. Basta na miss. Lawas na miss. Mistaking ba? Bustamante. Up step traveling.
Hopper.
Bacareza.
14 to 2.
Shot clock, 11 seconds. Bacareza, shortstop, short. Padayaw. Kick out. Erlano. Padilla fakes it. Back to Erlano. 4 seconds. Del Rosario all the way. Overshoots the lay-in. Foul. Foul number 12. Jeffrey Bacareza, his first personal foul.
Last week. Itong.
Foul number 13. Jeff Golling, his first personal foul. 2 shots. Rainier Bustamante. Makes the first one. Makes both.
Kagandahan sa ating Kuya Score eh. Yung sa hoppers, pag tumitigil oras, hindi nakakapag
Foul on the way up. Foul number 06. Nikon Erlano, his first personal foul. 2 shots for Paul Anthony Ponce.
Sa ano ka kuya sa Wednesday? Ganto din. Tapos inaano ako mag-score daw. Ayoko nga kasi gusto ko manood.
Makes the first one. Hindi ako makakonsentrate.
Tapos tinuturuan ako. Kaya nga ano mag-offer. Sabi, bakit di ka umuupo dito ng maaga?
Makes both.
Isipin ko, Sabado na kumita.
4-8 in favor of Hopper. Padilla fakes a three. Passes, loses it. Del Rosario. All the way up. No, passes to Ponce who makes it. Agurin, Padayaw, Bustamante. Back to Agurin, Padayaw. Long ball, short. Bowling, Bacareza, scoop shot is good. Bustamante, sorry. Bustamante makes it.
Naririnig niya yung Darren.
Minsan gano'n na lang din ginagawa natin kapag nakakalimutan talaga.
One set. No good. Rebound, Padayaw. Up next, Padilla for free. Short. Agurin, wow, reverse. Wow, on number 06, Nikon Erlano, his second personal foul. Third, team foul. .130 left on the first, on the game clock. Bacareza, scoop shot again, yes! No, teardrop this time.
Mga laro mamaya.
Ah,
Maganda mga laro lang.
Bustamante, basket.
Si Kuya SP.
That's 2 points for Espino. Gonzalez for three. Bang! Cuts it down to one. Padilla fakes a three. Short again. Rebound bowling. Del Rosario. All the way. No passes. Triangle offense.
Wala shot clock.
Del Rosario was foul. Foul Padilla. Gonzalez. Half court shot. Almost, but not quite. And that's the end of the first quarter. Health cover 14. And Geelong takes the lead with 15. Bronze medal is at stake, guys. Podium finish. Let's see who gets it. $1.
Okay, Bob. 20.
$1. Ha? Wala na. Dilitan ko. Ay, hindi. Nag-ongoing tayo. Kaya siguro tong buong game.
Tayo naman siya.
Hindi tayo nag-start yung magalit na naman si dito natin.
Alright, let's get it on. Second quarter, guys. Second quarter. Del Rosario bowling. Aprot Macaresa and Gonzalez. Vertilo. Bustamante. Ibanez. Padilla. Espino. And Agurin for health cover to start the second quarter. Let's go.
Run it.
Bustamante blocked by Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Del Rosario. Gonzalez fakes the three. Shot block. 7 seconds. Del Rosario. In and out. Agurin. Loses it, recovers, out of bounds. Turnover. Gonzalez. Macarena out alone. No good. Rebound abroad. Put back is no good. Gonzalez. Wala pa rin. Aprot. Ando na. Pasok. Padilla. Del Rosario. Agurin recovers. Padilla. Espino. No good. Padilla grabs the board. Shortstop. Wala pa rin. Del Rosario overshoots. Foul on the rebound. Gonzalez. Loose ball foul. His first personal foul. First team foul. Bustamante passes to the wrong guy. Gonzalez losing it. Turnover. Ibanez. Agurin. 12 to shoot. Ibanez. Espino. Ibanez. Agurin for free. Short. Rebound Padilla. Shot clock reset 14. Fall away basket. Gonzalez for three. Overshoots. Yes.
Wala sila Wellington.
Judy siguro.
Espino, Agorin, board, no good. Bustamante, dalawa nagagawan sila magkasama. Padilla. Pakanay sa board. Goling! Del Rosario, back to goling. Basket. Padilla. Agorin. Back to Padilla. Takes a free. Shot clock. 6. Espino. Putata. Ang inabot. Shot clock 1. Shot clock violation.
Sobra-sobra sa ikot yung
Wala. 1 block. 1 butata.
Abroad. Kick out. Makalesa. Gonzalez makes a 3. Goling. Short stop. No. Rebound. Gonzalez for 3. No. Passes it. Nice passing. Foul. Foul on the way up. Foul. Number 16. Number 16 is first personal foul, first team foul, 2 shots, Jeff Goling. Makes the first.
Nasip ba? Pumasok na ko na.
Ah,
So 20 na. Meron. Nasa kotse po. Hindi namin na.
time out, help cover.
Sige po.
Score 21-16 in favor of Geelong.
Pero Ramon pala yung bola. Yung item. Hindi naman namin pinatok.
Ah. Kung wala mo, i-claim sa'yo yun.
Hindi kuya, ang ginagawa namin kasi, gagawa natin. Hindi namin nilalabas kasi pag may nakakita.
Oo, magsasabi sila sa kanila yun.
Dahil hinanap niya raw kung Ramon nasa kotse.
Kaya nga, sabi ko wala. Yung sabi ni Eden, alam ko lang sa kanya.
Kasi tagal namin nagtay, parang hanggang tulong din.
Kalimutan niya na siguro. Nung ngayon may laro na, hinanap niya, wala na.
I'm out good.
Balak na ako ng bronze medal.
Alright, let's go.
Pagka-award dito tayo.
Bato, sa third place.
Shot clock 6. Padilla, all the way. Wala. Del Rosario, high looper, no good. Out of bounds. Del Rosario. Macaresa. Wala. Padilla. Foul and 1. Foul number 13, Jeff Goling, his second personal foul, second team foul.
Tama ko yung 18 na.
Foul.
18-21.
Padilla misses the bonus. Ponce all the way. Pasok. Padayaw, kick out, Padilla. Wala pa rin. Ponce, Abroti, short. Stop adding, Abrot. Abrot, James Map. Wala. Aguano. Kick out. Ibanez. Padilla for free. Short. Abrot to the board. Bacareza. Overshoots. Rebound goaling. Abrot. Muntik matamaan sa ulo si Harold. Shot clock 4. Bacareza, specialty of the house. Overshoots. Abrot, bumangga, Jiba. Foul. Foul number 06. Erlano Jr., his third personal foul. Second team foul. Makes a first. Next ball. 4, 3, foul. Take foul on Harold. Del Rosario, smart play. Fouls to give. Del Rosario, his first personal foul. End of the first half, 25. Geelong, 18. Health cover.
Pause.
All right, back to the ball game, second half.
Shot clock ulit. Ang possession na tama na to.
Gonzalez. Bacareza, specialty of the house. Wala. Ule, wala, na-recover. Bustamante. Powers his way through, misses. Put back, wala pa rin. Gonzalez, all the way. Wala. Abrot, put back, basket.
Wala pala sa cookie, ah.
Ay, sorry. Oo nga, wala spooky ah.
Sorry, Ponce goaling. Loses it. Totally. Yes, he did. Agurin Erlano. Basket. Ponce. Alpo. Bacareza. Shot clock, 5 seconds. Bacareza, Abrot, binalibag, pasok. Alaya. Ibanez for 3, short. Gonzalez. Ponce, basket. Loses it. Ponce behind the back. Stolen by Uri. Padaya for free. Wala. Ibanez to Agurin. Basket. Ponce slicing the middle. Bacaresa pasok. Ibanez for three. Yun! Pasok! Bang!
Sabi ko kanina, Warren Ibanez. Sabi ko, Alexis lang. PBA player yung si Warren Ibanez.
Kamarhila yan eh. Maliit yung white card.
Longgo yun eh.
Ah, nagkabot ko sa Kamarhila.
Gonzalez! Babawiin, hindi. Adayaw. All the way. Basket! Bacaresa. Same spot, same result.
Sure full perimeter. Yep. 40s na ata yan.
Ibanez. Gonzalez. All the way? Yes, he did. Agurin Butata ang inabot. Ball stays. Stop. Stop, stop. Time out, Geelong. Time out. Rep. Time out, Geelong. Time out, Geelong. Hindi, anina pa siya tumawag.
Hindi lang na buzzer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Pwede na yan, kuya. Wala na pang 10 eh.
Hindi, bigyan naman natin sa akin. Ilan ba sa slide? Ito, makikita ko dito. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yung health cover, buong buo, 15. Bibigay lahat.
Back to the ball game. Padilla, short.
Stop eh.
Del Rosario, all about it. Gonzalez, Ponce. All the way, no, pass it out. Bacaresa, kabilang spot naman, wala. Padilla, bounce out. Give and go. Uy, ganda ng pasahan. Sayang. Ponce. Wala pa rin. Stolen by Goling. Bacaresa. Libre-libre. Parang free throw lang. Wala. Bustamante. Del Rosario. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Del Rosario. Ponce, wala. Del Rosario all alone, wala. Padilla. Euro, wala. Foul. No. Foul number 12, Jeffrey Macaresa. His second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots. Jason Padilla.
Pagi na sa
Naabot mo na nag-abot. Hindi ko wala nag-abot eh. So,
Hindi.
Misses the first. Misses both going to board.
Enjoy ako bukas ng
Ponce. Ganda ng pasa. Del Rosario back to back. Wala. Short. Gonzales. Binangga yung kakampi. Padilla. Agurin. Muntik na. Gonzales. Good. Macaresa. Finger roll. Padilla, wala. Foul. Let's go. Foul on number 4, Harold Del Rosario. His second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots. Yeah, Agurin. Sub, pag pumasok, second. Sub, pag pumasok yung second. Makes the first. Misses the second. Ponce, Bawe, wala. Rebound, Ibanez secures it. Padilla. Euro step, basket.
Lakas of queen.
Wala na sa first 2 points ni Jason sa third.
Ponce, 10 to shoot. Kick out, Del Rosario. Isa pa 3, wala. Overshoots. And that's the end of the third quarter. 42. Geelong. 32. Health cover. Gumaganda ang laban. Makakabalik kaya ang health cover. Podium finish is at stake. The bronze medal for the open category of the VMS Detailing Auto King George Winter Season 2025.
Late kami kasi nag-lunch kami kila tita ng mga pinsan.
Akala ko may trabaho sa inyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, last quarter.
Saan tayo kuya? Saan bola?
Bola, kuya. Kuya, dito. Kanina, Geelong. Lipat ko na. Okay na.
Ibanez for 3. Wala. Abroad, back to Gonzales. Slashes his way through. Wala. Rebound is Pino. Stole it in there. Padilla. Basket counts.
Basket count, ha?
Foul number 4, Harold Rosario, his third personal foul, first team foul. 2 points is good for Jason Padilla. Bonus shot coming right up. One shot. Pride of Pampanga. Makes it.
Kelvin, bola, Kelvin.
Bacaresa. Approach, tumira ng tres. Short. Bustamante with a board. Padilla. Nangangaboy comeback. 5 straight points for Padilla. That's the lead down to 5, obviously. Approach. One dribble, pasa. Shot clock is down to 7. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! Padilla was short on that one. Bustamante was short on that one too. Dribbling violation.
Kelvin.
5 na lang ako.
Wow.
Agurin. Uy, nagulat. Diba, yes? Nagpaalam, tumira, short. Out of bounds. Geronimo.
Paalam sa Banyes. Sakasana yun eh.
Gonzalez all the way. Grabe. Court to court. Basket counts. Padilla. Gana na depensa. Del Rosario alone. 2-point timeout. Timeout. Health cover.
Ilang step side? 3 minutes.
3.
Health cover. Regroups. Geelong making the run of their own. Back to 12 is the lead. All right, tara. Health cover ball. Dayaw, dumiretso. Foul number 16, Gerald Abrot, his first personal foul, second team foul, 2 shots, Rico Padayaw. Makes the first. Next ball, swishes.
Ilang minutes? 3 minutes.
Gonzalez. Abrot. Gonzalez. 7 to shoot. Abrot, fall away. Wala. Erlano. Bustamante. Kelvin Gonzalez is first. Sorry. 14. Kelvin Gonzalez's second personal foul. Third team foul. Ibanez, short, Goling, Tulaprot. Running it, kick out Del Rosario. Gonzalez fakes. Intercepted. Padilla foul. Blocking foul. Blocking foul, Harold Del Rosario. His fourth personal foul. Timeout, Geelong. One timeout left for Geelong.
May time out na rin to, no?
Opo, tigisa na lang.
Tigisang timeout na lang, both teams. Tigisang timeout na lang. 2 shots coming out for Jason Padilla. 14 fouls, Geelong. Warning, foul trouble, Harold. Rosario is fourth. Two shots. Wala. Misses the first, one more. Misses the second. Geraldo up on the board. Gonzalez, Macaresa, patatak ang inabot kay Padilla. Adayaw, Padilla, short, jump, possession, arrow, Geelong. Lipat ko na. Abrot. Macaresa for three. Bang!
Ayan, tumama.
First three of the game for the sharpshooter, Jeff Macaresa.
Who made it?
3. Si, ano po.
Sino? 3 kuya, finals. Kwan. Later.
Bustamante. Wala.
Sino na? Iban niya.
Padayaw.
Padayaw.
Goaling misses. Rebound Abrot. Macaresa basket counts. Padilla all the way there. Macaresa overshoots the finger roll. Ibanez to the board. Padilla. Basket counts. Foul number 4. Harold Rosario. That's his 5th personal foul. Fouled out. Bonus free throw for Jason Padilla. Misses it. Rebound, Geraldo. Gonzalez misses. Abrot offensive board. Bacaresa short. Rebound, out of bounds. Shot clock is off. Padayaw. Spins. Basket, ganda ng galaw. And that's the end.